Are you looking to start your journey with machine learning and artificial intelligence, but still confused about which programming language to choose to start with? Then this video is just for you. So in this particular video, I will talk about those programming languages which are very much useful and compatible for machine learning. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our Analytics Lab YouTube channel. There are variety of programming languages that are available in the market which one can choose for machine learning and artificial intelligence. So to start with, the very first programming language is Python. Now, you might have heard about from various tech professionals and those who are still learning machine learning and artificial intelligence that Python is a very important and a very useful. Together with that, it is very easy to learn programming language. Now, that is very true. So, if you are a student or if you are someone who is starting the journey, who has never coded and who do not know about any kind of programming language, I would suggest to start with Python because Python is a very powerful plus very easy to learn programming language. So for Python, you do not need to actually spend a lot of time understanding the code structure or understanding the syntax format because it is a very user friendly language. The way we talk, the way we write a Python code. So if you are someone who is starting the journey or if you are someone who is looking to start learning machine learning and artificial intelligence, then Python is the best language to start with. Second thing that makes Python a very useful language is the support of libraries. Now let's understand this point because this is very important. When we have to develop a machine learning model or when we have to develop a AI model, the requirement is to write those important lines of code which works in certain functions. For example, if I have to add two numbers, the function is add, which you can find in Excel also, which you can find in any programming language. For example, if I have to find out the square root of particular number, then we have a square root function. So the function is basically a code block or a pre-written set of instructions which takes some input, processes something based on the rule or the instructions that has been written into it and returns you the output. Now, like this, we have so many use cases, we have so many requirements which requires a detailed code to be written. So what the industry has done, what the community has done, they have written so many libraries for us. For example, if I have to connect or read the data from my Excel file, I can use the Pandas library which is available in Python. For example, if I have to do scientific computing, I can use NumPy library, which is again available in Python. So the support of libraries, which is basically the pre-written code blocks that are available freely over the community, is best for and is freely available and best available in the Python community. And Python, since it is an open source programming language, you will find every day someone writing a very good code and someone writing a very good library for every new case that you encounter in the industry. For example, recently people started using artificial intelligence, which is basically using Chat GPT in their code. So the integration process was tedious because you need to write everything on your own. Now what happened? Someone created a library out of it, which they called as LangChain. Now using LangChain, using Llama Index, now you can do the same task without writing your own code from scratch. So the entire code is now available. You just need to import that library in your code and you are good to go. That is the advantage of Python. So the community support is very good. Your library stack, the number of libraries that are available for use cases related to machine learning and artificial intelligence is great. Third thing is it is very simple to learn. Now the next programming language which is commonly taught with Python is R. Now R is such a beautiful language which was developed by researchers to work with statistical data. So when I started my journey to learn data science and machine learning, even I started with R So I learned Python, but since at that time Python was not so much prominent or not so much popular, I started learning machine learning in R itself. And at that time, the support of libraries was very great in R. So when you are doing research, or when you are doing, or when you are basically practicing machine learning for your research work, then I would suggest to go with R, because in the R language you will find out variety of libraries which are customized for research work. But be very clear that R is not a production level language. You cannot use R language to deploy your machine learning model directly into cloud or directly into server. For that, you need to use Python. So someone who is looking to use machine learning and artificial intelligence for research work, I would suggest them to go with R. But someone who is looking to learn machine learning and Python for professional journey, plus those who are looking to deploy their models and take their learning to next level, then Python is a good to go language. Now, the third programming language that is basically the Makkah of any programming language, and I always feel great talking about it, is Java. Now, Java is such a powerful language that it can work with any application. Basically, if you think about developing a program, if you think about developing a software, if you think about developing a web page, if you think about developing a game, if you think about developing a machine learning model, everything can be done using Java. But the support libraries which are available for machine learning and artificial intelligence is not so greatly available in Java programming language. And you might need to sometime write your custom code to implement certain logics. So why one should use Java? Java is very much useful when you have to deploy your machine learning model over cloud or over a server. So basically, since most of the applications, let's say if you are talking about the cloud infrastructure, or maybe the website infrastructure, or the server infrastructure, these infrastructures are written over cloud and controlled by Java. Now, if you want to integrate your application or your mobile app, sorry, not the mobile application, if you want to integrate your machine learning model on the server or over the cloud, then usage of Java is very important and it eases your connection process. So basically, if something is running on Java and you also write your program in Java, then connecting these two dots will be very easy. That's the reason having knowledge of Java will help you get this task done very easily. So for me, as a data professional with 7+ years of experience, I would suggest these three programming languages to start with. If you are a fresher and if you are non-technical person, number one, start with Python. Python is very easy, very powerful, and you will enjoy your learning. If you are someone who is from the academic background and you are an academician and looking to use machine learning and AI for research purpose, go with R. And if you are someone who is already a tech person and you already know using C, C++ or Java, then you can go with Java for machine learning. But remember one thing, you might not get great amount of support libraries in Java, and you might have to write your custom code. But the advantage is when you need to deploy your machine learning model into a cloud or a server, Java will be very useful. Having certain knowledge of Java, having little knowledge of Java as a developer who is looking to deploy the model will be very great, will be very useful. But in nutshell, Python for freshers and non-technical person, if you are a researcher, academician, R, and if you are someone who is a developer and looking to deploy, Java. So that is all about this particular video. I hope this video helped you to understand the role of programming language when it comes to starting your journey in machine learning and AI. That is all about this particular video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please comment your questions in the comment section and do subscribe to our Analytics Lab.